Hi folks, welcome again for our Chickmagaluru diaries. So we are embarking on a new journey, this time to Chickmagaluru in Karnataka state. So I am taking my ZX and my brother is coming here with his RC390. So let's get set and go. So the time is 6:30 and finally we have started. So for Chickmagaluru I have around 800 kilometers to reach and we have just begun our journey. It is already pretty hot here in Tamil Nadu. The time is just 6:30 and I am sweating inside with my riding gears. I hope the climate will be better as I move on. So right now we are traveling towards Madurai via Rajapalayam and Srivilliputturu. We have just crossed Shankaran Kovil. The climate is okay now. Since we are riding, it is okay. So we have planned to have our next stop at Vadipatti, Madurai for a fuel stop. So till then it is better to keep on riding. Finally we are about to enter the national highway. So far we have been traveling on the state highway. So from here up to Bangalore I will be having really excellent roads. Finally we are on the open highway.
once again, the KTM is faster on the curves, but the ZX is faster on the straight line. So finally we have had our breakfast. Time is almost 9:15 and we have just crossed Madurai. So we have planned to cross Bangalore city before 3 o'clock. So I think from here on it will be a race against time. So Bangalore is pretty far away from here. Should be at least another 300 kilometers. So now I have to see how quick I can reach Bangalore. One good thing is the road will be having very less traffic after Dindigul. So that will help me to some extent. So it is my colleague from my office. He is going to Bangalore. So somehow we met on the way. we had some photo shoot, and again we are back on the ride. Time is 10:50, and Bangalore is at least around another 280 kilometers. Bangalore is 260. Anyway, we won't be going inside Bangalore city. We'll be taking a diversion from Electronic City, and we'll be going towards the Tumkur route. That is what we have planned now. So let us see how Bangalore city is. So we have had our second fuel stop, and we are moving on again. Salem is another 50 kilometers, and Bangalore is another 240. The thing is, we have to travel another 240 kilometers from Bangalore. So I think that is going to be somewhat tough. But anyway, let's ride and move on. So we are crossing Salem town, and we are catching the Krishnagiri-Bangalore highway now. So once out of Salem town, this road will be having very less traffic, and it is a 6-way in a lot of places. So we'll be having a hassle-free travel after Salem, at least up to Hosur. We are some 50 kilometers to Hosur, the last town in Tamil Nadu before crossing into Karnataka border. So time is 1:15, and we have decided to have lunch at Hosur. So we have at least another 45 minutes of journey before lunch. That is how things went out. We started pretty early, and we decided to have lunch at Hosur, and we reached Hosur on time to have our lunch. We had our lunch there, and when we came out, we were greeted by extreme rain. The rain was so heavy that we could not ride anywhere. We waited for some time for the rain to subside, but nothing like that happened, and we decided to ride it through the rain to reach our destination. So that's part 1 of our Chickmagaluru ride. So stay tuned to know what happened after we started to ride in rain. Till then, it's goodbye, and see you all in another video.